Hi, if you want to make a photo collage video with music using your phone, try LightMV. LightMV is a video maker wherein you can make a photo collage video with music with the use of its default editing functions. Also, it has a very easy user interface that allows you to produce an awesome photo collage video. Here is the steps on how to use this tool. First is to get the app from the App Store or Google Play Store, then install it on your phone afterwards. Launch the app on your phone, then choose your preferred video template by scrolling down on the screen. Next, tap the plus sign icon to import a file from your camera album. Once added, tap the Change Music button to add music on your video and then hit the Try for Free button to process your video. Finally, tap the Download icon to save the video on your phone. And that is the process on how to make a photo collage video using LightMV. Thank you for watching!